In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use ClickUp as a help desk ticketing system. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, here is what we're going to do. We are going to utilize ClickUp templates. To do that, click on this plus icon right here to create a new file, but instead of starting from scratch, we're going to go to templates. This is where we can access the numerous templates provided by ClickUp. And if we search ticket right here, you should see some of these templates show something like this for help desk ticket. This can help you in your help desk ticketing system. So let's use this template for example. Again, choose a name, then choose the location. Now, you have the option to either import everything or customize the import items. And as for the start and due dates, you can import it as is or you can remap the dates. Lastly, you have the choice whether to include the archive task or not, and then use template. After that, you're gonna wait for a few seconds for ClickUp to put it on your left panel right here. But once it's right here, you now have full access to that template. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now, like most of the templates, it has a getting started guide on how you can use it. So you can read this to help you navigate through this template. And it has a ticket list for your task, a ticket priority for urgent, high, normal, ticket categories, ticket status, Kanban board, and even a ticket submission form. All of this you can use, but you can also edit it however to your liking. And that's it. You now have ClickUp as a help desk ticketing system. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.